Alright, guys and gals, I want to get on here and we're going to have a little talk. First, let me turn you around. We're going to have a little talk about where I've been. I've been in that chair right there. But no, I'm camped right over there. You can't hardly see the van. But we're going to have a little chit chat. Why I haven't been on here much. Why I haven't been doing YouTube. And what my future plans are. So let's flop down here in my chair and we'll do that. There's a camper van. This is a spot that I've been to. Hang on a second, I'm trying to multitask and do 10 things at a time. Plug my phone up. I'm using my phone. Battery's getting low. Real quick, I've been having a lot of trouble with YouTube. Not really so much YouTube, but an editing app I used last year. I guess the developers, I really don't know. I can't get no answers from nobody. But what I can gather is I think the developers must have sold it to somebody else or something. Because every video that I made with that editing app, I'm not even talking about music. Some of them had music off of the app, but you know, I don't really do music very much. But every single video that I used that app to edit got a copyright, and the old tube crashed down on me pretty hard. Won't go into details because it ain't life-changing events for nobody, but I almost lost everything, all my videos, almost lost the channel. Luckily it didn't go that far. I had to take a lot of videos down, which is no big deal. A lot of them was just memory saved on their servers, you know, it's the main reason I do it. Use their servers to say everything. But anywho, the point is, I got frustrated, couldn't get no answers, couldn't get nobody to talk to me, sent a million emails, played phone tag, just couldn't get nothing to happen. No one would talk to me, no one would work with me, and got a little frustrated. Said I was going to give up YouTube, but you know, I don't make no money on it. YouTube, for me anyway, is not financially even covering the cost of gas just to go somewhere like here. I make absolutely pennies on YouTube. But that's not the reason I'm doing it. You know, I've covered why I do it. Anyway, I'm trying to make this short and sweet. Not going to drag it out. I've come to the idea I'm not going to let them beat me up, because I got caught up in the business aspect of it when it never was about the business for me. It's more just the adventures and showing what I see and what I do. So I kind of got away from that. Going back to my old way of thinking, it is what it is. They can do what they want, which I think I've got it straightened out now. I think. Pretty much took down every video that was used on that editor app, and you know, I think I got everything straightened out, I think. But anyway, I'm gonna go back to my old way of thinking. It is what it is. Quit stressing over that old stuff. I don't know why I'm stressing anyway. I'm gonna continue doing YouTube. I am gonna focus more on my Facebook page because at the moment they're more user friendly, more opportunity to actually make some money and blah 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 blah. So if you would go over to my Facebook page, follow me over there, that would help. You ain't got to, I'm just saying if you want to. And I'm gonna continue posting here too. Right now it's kind of slow. Just hanging out here around home base. It's that time of year to where you know, in between doing the end of year stuff, you know, taxes and paying on registration and all that old garbage, and in between starting my next job. So I'm in that stage where I just hang around home base. But next month we're gonna get on the road, start moving towards our next seasonal job. It's not gonna tell you what it is yet. You'll see it when I get there. I don't have to be there to the end of next month, but I'm gonna start, moving on down the road, camping a little bit. But anyway, that's the plan. So I'm still gonna be posting here. Try to get back on that weekly schedule. Y'all know I ain't no good at that anyway, but so hang in there. I appreciate the ones who's hung around, stuck with me. Got some good OG followers who've been following me a long time, and I appreciate everybody. It don't matter if you just showed up yesterday or if you've been here a few years. I appreciate you either way. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna keep YouTube. I'm gonna keep pilling around with it, playing with it. Next month. Is it next month? April. Yeah, next month I'm gonna start easing down the road, moving towards my seasonal job for the summer. I think it's gonna be fun. It's different than what I normally do. I think it's gonna be fun. But anywho, that's the plan. So I'm gonna get off here. This is just a quick update. I want to say hello to all my friends, family, subscribers. Yeah, I believe that's it. I did a lot of stuff like updates to the van and everything, but we'll get into that on another day. But as far as my little update, I think this is it. I'm gonna keep posting on YouTube. I think I got everything straightened out, and I jumped through all the hoops they want me to, and I believe I got everything all right. I'm going to start moving next month up the road to my seasonal job for the summer, and yeah, that brings you up to speed. Anyway, got to enjoy life. Don't waste it. It's short. Go find you a place to sit. By the way, that's all water. All that blue or gray you're seeing, that's a big old lake. But get out there, enjoy life. Go in local park or something and hang out. Don't waste this short. It goes by super fast. And I'm going to get off here. Till I see you next time. God bless you.